Oh. Hi, Ariel.
Hi.
Nincompoop.
Hodgepodge.
Bag ball.
What did you just say?
I have.
No, we're on the bus.
Alex looks like a.
That is bad for the screen.
Let's see who's on the bus.
People. We're the only girls, except for Zach.
We're the only girls except for Zach.
Well, he's not either.
So yeah. I want to sound like a chipmunk. Don't poke me! Hawaii.
Are you a sweet transvestite?
Yes, I am.
I love that movie.
I didn't know what it was.
Oh, it's from a song from a movie.
Oh,
The Rocky Horror Picture Show. I'm just a sweet transvestite.
let's go upside down.
We is upside down.
What?
Look
A minute, 33, 34.
That's a great sound.
So yeah, what's that?
My app collar. It was my puppy's collar.
She's my bitch.
I heart boobies. That's what my bracelet says. See?
I
heart boobies.
Boobs. We just came back from Paz.
It was boring.
We took like.
I did stuff like this all day.
Me too.
Except I just took pictures instead of videos.
But
Because it's more difficult to get videos from my son to whatever. And I don't have a YouTube account.
wait, what? You lost me at YouTube.
Yeah, I don't remember what I said. That's a... That was fun.
Wait, ready? Okay, show them your blowjob face.
I make that noise too. I'm just like,
I dare you to say you almost killed me. I choked.
I did choke once. That was it.
Ariel choked on a dick once.
Once.
Well, I'm sure.
It wasn't my fault.
Okay, let's see smalls. We're gonna go look at smalls. Uh-oh. I don't know if you saw him.